So hey guys, tonight we're gonna have a quick simple meal. We got some leftover chicken skewers, we got some leftover refried beans, so we're gonna make some quesadillas. So you spread some refried beans on there.
Since we're folding it in half, I was just going to do half.
Yeah, we're not going to do the full round ones. It's too hard to flip.
Okay?
No, that's perfect.
Okay. And then some... Oh, you got white onion for yours?
Yeah, we got some white onion there. I love white onion. So it's sweet onion.
Do you want more?
Like Walla Walla. Yeah. Then we got some chicken here.
Somebody's cut off the skewer, but...
Oh, just pull off the skewer.
Get off the skewer once it's cut. You cut any pieces today?
This is seasoned chicken breast. It's delicious. Might be thighs, I don't know. So we're gonna put that on the tortilla wrap here. Mine's flour. And has the gluten-free, I think it's just a corn one.
No. This is a new one that we bought. It's actually sweet potato. Okay, you want a bit more, I think? Or do you want me to
No,
just
that's
spread
good.
it?
That's good enough.
Okay, spread it a little bit.
Actually, we got quite a bit, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put some more on. More chicken. Let me do a taste test.
Oops. That's a bit big of a piece. Who cut these?
So we got some shredded Tex-Mex. What's it got? Mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey, and jalapeno cheese.
A little bit left over from the last package. Oh, that
Yeah,
was English.
one's Walmart and the other one is Costco. Some cheese on there.
Definitely need a bit more. I know you don't like it quite as heavy. Cheese. Say when? I think that's probably enough.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And it's going to put some vegan cheese on hers.
Okay, let's get this element going.
So we got this induction cooktop.
We should be able to cook both of these at the same time. Want me to put them on right away?
I'll put them on. Dry pan.
You can probably oil
One.
it too, but we've done it dry before. Works.
2. Now we wait. We're going to put it back to 1 because this thing will burn it for sure. So, we'll bring you back when it's ready to flip. Okay, Daryl's is ready to be flipped.
Excuse me. There we go.
Might as well flip the other one.
Not sure if mine's ready, but that's okay. Okay.
See, the cheese is melted. Oh yeah.
Just doesn't have as much color.
Okay, we'll keep cooking. Okay, so it looks like they're both ready.
Okay. Do you mind if I just put mine on top of yours for a sec?
No.
Because then I can just put these two in here. I was hoping I could just slide them both in.
Oh, don't. Okay.
Why not? It worked. Okay, those can cook. Back now. There we go.
All right, so we got some really nice salsa here. Look at that, big chunks of jalapeno, roasted jalapenos. Put some of that on. Okay. And we got some sour cream. Some of that on.
Want some help?
I got it. And that's it. Let's take a taste. Oh, we got some avocado as well. Chicken, Tex-Mex cheese, and refried beans. Mmm. On a tortilla with some tomatillo salsa, sour cream. Yummy. Mmm. That's great.
This is one of our favorites. You get it from Winco.
Yeah, we love it.
Bit of a kick.
Last bite. Mmm. I get the Clean Plate Award. So good morning, guys. We're over here at Caliente Springs RV Resort in Desert Hot Springs, California. I'm going to show you guys the park here. Isn't that beautiful behind me? I don't know if you can see the mountains there. Yes, it's very nice. Nice and warm here in this January morning. It's about 20 Celsius already. Full blue sky. You gotta love it. So anyways, let's go check out the park.
And right over there, there's a little grass parking or gravel parking lot where they have the farmers market on Fridays and Saturdays, I believe. But always check because apparently that changes. Over on this side, we have pickleball. And there is also regular tennis in the park.
All right, let's go for a little tour here. So the pickleball courts are on the left, right, over there. So this is the clubhouse here. Got another pond here, lots of ducks. Got a little library here. Wow. There's lots of books in here. Chess game. Nice little table you can relax and socialize. We got a puzzle going here. Lots of puzzles. Some DVDs.
You're the first one on in the morning, so you see things. And I.
that's the clubhouse, and right behind it, oh, look at all the fish. Wow. I guess they think I'm gonna feed them. Orange one over there. Wow. They must be hungry. So there's a nice golf course here. As you can see, it's spread out amongst all of these tiny homes throughout the park. Another golf course, or same golf course. Some different holes here. Pretty, very pretty. Especially with these palm trees right here. Very nice. So this is the same set of holes. We were over there. Now we're on the opposite side. So I don't know. I guess, okay, that must be the tee right there. Or no, this is the tee? I don't golf, so I don't know. That's where the holes are. The hole. And they give you a couple options here. You can shoot from here or from over there. Hole 5, par 3. These are eucalyptus trees here. They smell very nice. Isn't this pretty? This is a great place to spend the winter. It's room temperature every day. Look at that, the mountain. We hiked up that mountain before. So, any of you golfers, if this course looks good or bad, maybe you could let us know in the comments. For us us non-golfers, if this course is any good. So I guess to blast the ball out of here. There's the hole, and there's another one over there. So the ball goes flying from back there, up over the little hill, and boom, onto the green. That is so nice. Look at that grass. Wow, how do they do this? Oh, I guess it's fake. That's how. There's the green. This is the first pond we were looking at. And that's the back side of the clubhouse. And this must be a natural wash going down here. I believe this is an olive tree. Any of you know, let us know in the comments. It's got a pit in there. So that was our little tour of the park. It's a very nice place here. I think it's one of our favorites, especially with the hot springs. It's very therapeutic to go sit in the pools and hot tubs. We love it. And there's our site we're staying at. So we got today is Monday, we're leaving Wednesday morning. So we're gonna enjoy a couple more days at the pool here. All right.